We often think of technology as something cold and rigid. However, inside this small 1.8-inch round display, I wanted to capture a warmer, more dynamic story. The digital kaleidoscope I'm presenting today is a tiny universe born from the harmony of precise engineering and artistic imagination. Let me touch the screen. The moment my fingertip makes contact, a single point transforms into 6 radiating lights in real time. This isn't just a pre-recorded image. Every movement creates a new symmetry that exists only in this specific moment. I designed this experience so that you can create a unique, non-repeatable piece of art with just a simple touch. Now I will slowly turn the rotary knob. As I turn it, vibrant spiral patterns begin to bloom from the center. Depending on the direction of rotation, the depth of color shifts, and the overlapping trails of light create a dreamlike atmosphere. I meticulously refined the system so that touch and rotation flow together seamlessly without any conflict. Like writing journal following the rhythm of your heart, your manual input instantly becomes a masterpiece. Making technology feel this natural takes intentional effort. To ensure every touch and every turn feels like a living extension of your hand, I focused on creating a seamless balance between the hardware and the visuals. By carefully managing how the system processes each movement, I have hidden the complexity deep under the surface. This allows you to simply get lost in the dance of light and color without ever feeling the machine behind it. The word kaleidoscope means to see beautiful forms. I hope this device is more than just a piece of hardware to you. I hope it serves as a small gift of visual tranquility in your busy daily life. Thank you.